To find the value of cosine 5 pi over 12, we are going to write 5 pi over 12 as a sum of angles that we can easily find using our unit circle. So remember, this question you cannot use a calculator because a calculator will give you a decimal number. But the instruction is very clear that you leave your answer with your radical symbols. So 5 pi over 4 can be composed as pi over 4 plus pi over 6. Now we can write cosine 5 pi over 12 as cosine the sum of these two angles, pi over 6 plus pi over 6 and pi over 4. Now let us go ahead and expand this cosine. So we have cosine pi over 4 multiplied by cosine pi over 6. Then we have minus sine pi over 4, sine pi over 6. We know the values of the sine and cosine of these angles using the unit circle. So we have root 2 over 2. Then cosine pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 2. Then let us go ahead and subtract sine pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. And sine pi over 6 is 1 over 2. Now we can find a common denominator here, which is 4 here. So we just subtract the numerators.